Hello everyone, welcome to my Kizu channel. My name is Mark and today we'll have another video. First of all, I'm actually want to thank everyone who encouraged me to continue. My channel is actually grow up so fast, so I'm gonna try to give it to you the best information that I have. I will do what I can do to make it easier for you. If you want to get information, if you want to understand the business, the investing more. Uh, so today we have an special event that every day I will try to post a video for the expected earnings and the stocks that you want to watch for the next days and for 4 months. Uh, so yeah, let's get started for tomorrow. This stock for tomorrow. For tomorrow is 7 stocks to watch. Uh, they're gonna give it to us upcoming news, upcoming earnings. That's for tomorrow. So this information for the fourth quarter for 2020. So it's gonna affect actually at the stock market. So yeah, let's get started for the first one from the 7 stocks that you're gonna watch for tomorrow and the four next months. The first one is Netflix. Netflix is gonna give it to us information about the earnings for the last part at the 2020. Uh, for my prediction, that's a normal person, not a financial expert at all. I'm talking about what I see. I think Netflix is gonna say they make a huge earnings. I think they are going up all the time. They are not. All of us knows Netflix. So tomorrow I think they're gonna say good earnings. I'm not sure it will be what exactly number, but I'm not sure. I'm sure they will not be going down. Uh, Maybe at the same point or going up. Um, so yeah, just wait for it. I'm pretty sure tomorrow might be if it be a good information, it's gonna go to 500. I think at least 500. Uh, for 1 month, for the next month, I think yeah they're gonna give it to yeah absolutely gonna be like 507. It's gonna go like 500 or 7. So yeah, think about it. If you would like to invest for tomorrow, just wait for information. What's the information gonna say? If the earnings, so that means it's gonna go up. Too many people gonna go and buy the stock. That is the first one, Netflix. The second one is J.b.hunt. This one for trucks. I know this company. They're gonna give it to us also information tomorrow about the last quarter for 2020. I expect it will not affect a lot because look what we have. They actually grow up so fast. All the time earnings, all the time earnings. So tomorrow, even they say it is good, even they say they got good money, good profits and earnings, they will not affect a lot. It might be for 1 day or like 1 week, and it'll be like continue like normal. The this information will not be like affect a lot, but yeah, it's actually a good stock if you want to invest on it. The next one, the third one we have Bank of America. We know it, Bank of America. That is actually a good stock to invest on it. They're gonna give it to us also information for tomorrow. The last quarter at 2020. Um, Bank of America is actually a good stock to invest on it, but tomorrow is hard to expect what be happen. Look, they actually like a constant, um, like not too high and not too low. So tomorrow, just wait for what you're gonna see. If it be a good earnings, if you get earnings, that means is really a good stock to invest for 4 months. Why? Because they give it to you a dividend, 2.18 dividends. Uh, by the way, tomorrow also I think is gonna give it to you the prediction of the dividends. and it's gonna affect. I think it's gonna affect whatever is gonna be high. I go earnings or low. Yeah, I think for my personal knowledge or like protection, I think it's gonna go up or down. It depends about the information that they're gonna give it to us tomorrow. Uh, the first one we have is State Street. Let me write it down. STT. Yeah, State Street. That's also for tomorrow. The same thing. Upcoming earnings for tomorrow. They're gonna say what happened for the last the last quarter for 2020. Look at this. That is actually a good one to invest on it. My prediction, they gonna say it is gonna go up. Uh, but look at the third quarter. It depends about tomorrow. If it's going up, if the earnings a lot, I'm sure. Don't say that I'm sure. I'm not sure. I expect it will touch 79. I think that. It depends about tomorrow. So yeah, just wait for tomorrow. I know the stock market is closed today. I'm actually like waiting for tomorrow to see what be happen. So yeah, just wait for tomorrow. If the earnings going up, the stock going up right here. It looks like that's 1 week, so it's easy. 1 month, yeah, it's the same point. Okay. The the next one is Goldman GS. This one, uh, that is actually pretty high. That is actually pretty high. So for me as Mark, tomorrow this company, if I want to go, I would go for trade option if they're going down. Uh, if they're going down, but I'm not sure they're gonna go down. You see, the third quarter they're making a lot of profits. Uh, but yeah, if they say they have a good earnings, I'm not sure they're gonna affect a lot because they are actually at the top. Wow, that's for the sky. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure it's a good idea to invest on it if it's say to you a good profits, like to get a lot of earnings. Um, Next one, HAL. Um, this one is $20. That's good for like a students like me, to invest on it. Tomorrow also they're gonna give it to us as information. My prediction, like a normal person, like what I said, uh, look here. I feel like they're gonna say that off earners. Let's say for tomorrow, but for the worst case, uh, if they say there's a lot earnings, I think it's gonna touch 22, which is $2. That's a good like profit. That's my prediction, like a normal person. Okay. So yeah, think about it. Just wait for tomorrow. Just wait for tomorrow and see what will happen. About the information, go and take your action. Uh, so yeah, that's it. There's another one. The last one for tomorrow is also a bank, James Bank. They give it also a dividend 2.77. Wow. Look at the third quarter. So the first quarter, it's gonna make a difference. I'm pretty sure it's gonna make a difference. Yeah. Wow. So if they're going up, if there's a lot of earnings, tomorrow is easy to go to 51. See, $2 at like 1 week. $2 extra at 1 week. So and it's actually going up. I don't know why five. Yeah, it's going up. It's going up. It's actually a good. It's a good one for invest because it's not go so fast up. No, at the point of like a middle. So yeah, think about it tomorrow about the earnings. Take the action. That's it for today. If you want to keep watching something like the upcoming information, about the next day. I will try posting all my effort, all my expectation. This news I get it from too many sources about what will be happen tomorrow. So yeah, if you would like to subscribe for this channel, I would be appreciate this thing. That keeps me motivating to make a lot of videos more about this thing. Okay, and that's it for today. And have a good day, guys.